What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to create a professional design on Canva in just a few seconds. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to our Canva homepage, review the left sidebar of menus and go to Canva AI. Once right here, scroll down into the very bottom. We have a couple of options right here, but I would like to choose this one, the design option. They're gonna add for you a prompt, okay? Design a promotional Instagram post featuring a button. You can change this prompt in the case that you want, but follow this prompt so you can get the idea. Canva gonna create for you a couple of designs that you can choose from. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. This one looks fabulous. So hover a mouse over the design that you like and click into this pencil icon. You're gonna be able to fully customize every single part of the design. You can change the text right here in the case you want, okay? And of course, you can use the Canva editor to customize more and more the design to generate the idea that your client wants, okay? All into a simple, fast, effective, and really good design way. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.